everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 24th to the 28th of July 2023 on Monday. Zodwa's anxiety heightens with the confirmation that she is pregnant. Mlungisi and Sibusiso makes a mockery of church while Siphamandla enjoys success at Peter Marisbeck branch on Tuesday. After Siphamandla's heroic report, the brothers embrace. Difa find out he will be a father again. The council find a scapegoat for all the church's shenanigans on Wednesday. Difa is over the moon about Zoto's pregnancy, while Zoto feels betrayed that Mamzobe told him. The pregnancy seems to be the true serum for Difa. Against many odds, Siphamandla and Mlungisi bond over their father on Thursday. While the Mtembo brothers form a bond, Mamzobe also shows his sister Zodwa that family sticks together and promises to be there for her every step of the way with her pregnancy on Friday. Difa has a loving yet daring proposition for Zodwa to save her from humiliation. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.